Inspiration. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're here with the two high ponytails. Ooh, look, how y'all like it? I should probably just do two blue bows, but you know, I'm just extra like that. So, ooh, I really like these pigtails. So anyways, today, girl, we are here to bedazzle. That's why I gotta say girl, because I don't see no guys bedazzling their car, but we about to bedazzle our car, okay? Period. Period. This is part 2 to the upgrading my car video series. So my first video I did do a touchscreen, so this video we are going to be upgrading or bedazzling my new touchscreen. So we're gonna be bedazzling the touchscreen, the vents, the steering wheel, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, okay? So I couldn't find where I ended up purchasing these bedazzling stickers, but I'm gonna link down below some other options for you guys because I just could not find it, and I don't know where I got them. I had this idea in my mind for years now, and I just didn't want to do it yet because I already knew I was going to change out my radio. I just didn't know when, but now that I changed it out, there's no reason for me to wait any longer, so that's why we went on ahead and bedazzled this car, okay? So if you are new, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. and if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all here. Ooh. Yeah, that's basically it. So let's go ahead and change over to the video that I have of the bedazzling, okay?
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy. You could save me from my isolation. My ways too complicated. I stop this conversation. Control. Your light is gone, alone the darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation.
Okay guys, so it's dark now, but here she is. Ooh, look at her sparkle. She's bejeweled out. My phone did end up running out of storage before I was able to even record this and this, but it was very frustrating, so I'm kind of glad I didn't record because that had just been another thing I had to worry about. But you can kind of see where the frustration started. I was just like, this is already too much. But overall, oh my goodness. And then I might do this part, but I'm probably not, because with all the fur, like, honestly, like, just look at this. Like, you're not gonna be able to see it. So I think this is gonna be plenty with that over there, you know. I might do like a little trim around the mirror, but we'll see. But yeah, she is fire. If they had red diamonds, oh my god, this would be bomb. Okay, alright guys, so now that y'all see how I bedazzled my car, how do y'all like it? I was just getting frustrated fitting the pieces in together, so I got a little bitty lumps and bumps in there because I was just frustrated. But if you really want to take your time, definitely do that, because the overall look is gonna look real good. Take a break. That's what I say, take a break. But I was doing this on video, so I didn't want to take any breaks. But yeah, definitely take a break, come back to it. If you're getting too tired, go eat something, go lay down for a little bit, go back to it, because your overall result is gonna look that much better if you just take your time on it. So how do y'all like it? Comment it down below. Are y'all gonna recreate this? Definitely, I definitely recommend. So stay tuned for the next video in this series. Definitely put your post notifications for my videos, and that's basically it. Okay, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.